Okay. I found this box and you wouldn't believe what's inside. I can't believe I found it after all these years. Can anyone guess what it is? I mean, there's a little bit of a clue. And legit, look at this. It says Vulgar. Pick and mix. I remember these like grab bags. I actually remember getting this grab bag. And look inside. My old viewfinder. All the tape that we put on it to secure it is all broken. It's all like coming off. And something's jiggling. Not sure what's jiggling. Can you see it? And then this thing is broken, as you can see. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work. I'll test to see how it works, but let's see if I can aim this towards the camera. You can sort of see my eyeshadow. You can see me. Look carefully, you can see me. I can't believe I found this one again. I went nuts, and I don't know if it's working still, as you know, but... And in here is all the pieces. I feel like there was more, but I think we, at the time, got rid of the ones that didn't work. So what does this say? Laurel and Hardy Holiday to Turkey. We'll just leave it down here. Try not to ruin them. Like it's the Two Musketeers. I guess if I bought new ones, they would fit in here, right? Like if it works. Lauren, reel 3. So let's check to see what reel it is, the other ones. Okay, I found reel 1 and 3 of Laurel and Hardy, so I kind of put it to the side, and I put this one. This one is reel 1 of the Two Musketeers, so I wonder how many copies I have. This one is Laurel and Hardy reel 2. Let's see if I put this. Oh, the same. The Waltons, the Separation, reel 3. Ooh, the famous 5. 5 go out to camp. I'm gonna really enjoy that one. I don't know if it's a cartoon or if it's real people. Where does one get viewfinder discs? Okay, so I have multiple reels, so I might as well try to separate them as I go. I have Flipper here. The famous 5. Flipper. Not exactly sure what this one is. It's not even in English. I wonder if I can fix this one with the Waltons. Happy days. The ones left over are Woody Woodpecker, Chilly Willy, Droopian, Skype and trike. I legit think I feel like I have more, but I legit think that like I had thrown out a lot that weren't working or were like severely damaged. So let's see if these work. I just remembered that one of the things that came in this Pick and Mix Woolworths bag was a doll. I'm not kidding. I feel like I still had that doll. But it came in this bag. I can't believe we left it. I still remember the toy section at Woolworths. Okay, so my reels are sort of in order. So I'm gonna try it in the ViewMaster. Excuse the mess my room is. And it's making noise, so I'm gonna try. What I'm gonna try is this one, the non-English one. I don't know what it says. So V and P. It has a V up here and a P down here. Okay, so I'm not sure which way is up anymore. Let me just try. Putting it in this way. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it works. But I don't know how to show you. It was a bit sticky at first. Can you sort of... I need to clean this glass. It's very dark. It's not showing the film, but it's working. See, it's rotating. So it is working, like, despite the fact that just realized I had to put it in this way because over here, now this one's not in English, and it tells the story. I clearly use my ViewMaster. This is not in English, like I said. Clearly use my ViewMaster so much that this is how bad a condition it's in. I mean, I suppose I can... Where's the camera? Let me see if I can... It's not working. Okay, well, it works. That's what's important, right? Okay. Well, that one wasn't in English, and it's a collection of cartoons and everything. So I'm gonna try this Woody Woodpecker one, and it's reel 1, and I don't have any more, so... Okay, I don't know why. Okay, this is not moving. Maybe it's like I've killed these. Let's see if I can just move it to 2. Okay, it works, but it gets it stuck at number 1. I don't know, can you see this thing? Try to angle it to the camera. I mean, Where's the camera? Okay, well, I don't think you can see the film clearly. I guess that's not gonna work. So sorry. ViewMaster works. It gets a little sticky, and I can't show you what shows up inside. And it gets a little, but but I can totally view it. Like, I wonder if I can find some free ViewMaster. See, it gets sticky at number 1. Okay, I took the flash off, and maybe it's better, but this is a scene with Woody Woodpecker. I don't know how clearly you can see it. He's going, and his friends are going down a roller coaster. As you can see, it's not very clear, but see, and it still gets sticky at some points, especially at number 1. Now the real question, do I put them back in the same box or same bags? The Eiffel Tower? Which one would you like to look at? What do you think, Bunny? Change it. Woody Woodpecker is always good for a laugh.